Everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama outside another customer creation, and I gotta tell you, this is why I love my job. We've got Olive on the outside. This is a 16 by 76. We call this home the Branson. Brand new for us this year, and I have a very strong feeling the 2-bedroom version is going to be one of my new show homes. So if you can visit me here in Topeka, Indiana, that'd be great. I'd love to see you. And a little backstory about this home. This is going to my friend Elena, and she's a hardworking single mom. Her little boy loves Minecraft, just like my little Benji. So we connected right away. And you know what? She works so hard. And she's going to have a home of her own for her to be able to raise her son. She homeschools her son. Like, this woman has got it going on. So proud to be able to help her. Gosh, I'm not going to get emotional. But, you know, you guys see these videos and there's always a backstory to it, right? And usually a pretty good one, pretty positive one. We're making homes, we're changing lives, and we're creating dreams here. No matter what your dream is, we're gonna make it happen. All right, walking into a wide open living space. Now, you've seen a video on this before. There is the ability to put a fireplace there if you wanted to. And in most cases, you can put a fireplace as long as you have the wall anywhere in a Champion home. So several fireplaces to choose from. But Elena wanted to save her space for living space. Love, love, love the kitchen. I love how the refrigerator kind of has its own space over here. Pantries on either side of the refrigerator. And we have many, many options on appliances that you can choose from. Here's that new Aloma Marble. We haven't seen a lot of this yet. We're just now starting to see them pop off the production line. And it's beautiful. It's got a little bit of a vein in there, a brown. It's got brown tint to it. And this is urban oak on the cabinets, so it's almost identical in color. Love it. Anyways, we've got a built-in bar that has the sink in the island. So if you're looking for a bar, this is a great floor plan because you've got the best of both worlds. Still plenty of room for a dining room table, but you also have the luxury of a bar. So over here is the cooking area. The hood does vent all the way out. And then another nice feature is this window in the dining room is tucked away over here. Lets lots of natural light in. Plus you've got a window here and a window there. So on a good spring breezy day, which we've experienced a lot of those lately, you're gonna have some nice airflow. Coming down, we're gonna see the back door right here. Another great feature of this home. Now, this single wide is gonna have the absolute largest closet that we do in the primary bedroom. So 2 entrances on either side. The bookcases you can add. I think that's a great addition because these openings are perfect to fit those cubbies in there. And then, look at this. Okay. Yes. Largest closet we make. I'm walking through and I'm standing right in the middle, right? So you can see there's plenty of space on either side. Closet space, closet space, closet space. That's hard to say 3 times. Now over here, we do have the option to put in a built-in dresser if you like, but Elena wanted to just keep it wide open. She had some things of her own that she wanted to put in there. Also in this floor plan, instead of having one large 46/61, we're gonna have 2 30 by 61. So I think that's a great feature too, when you have a couple of windows in the bedroom instead of one. Primary bath, here we come. I'm a big fan of the Tri-View medicine cabinets. You guys know that about me. It does have a standard extended vanity, a bank of drawers in the middle, and this little privacy wall here, half wall post. We do this in a few different homes, but it's standard in here, so nice feature. We've got a walk-in shower, and then one of the greatest features as well of our single wides, a couple of the floor plans has this built-in linen into the wall, so that's always nice. And hello. Did I tell you guys lately that I appreciate you? Because I surely do. Quit yapping and give you a view. I have a tendency to just keep yapping. All right, heading back to the other end of the home. These are the new ceiling fans for this year. They're nice and industrial grade. I love them. Well, they have an industrial look to them anyways. And we talked about this before, but the switch, you can control high, medium, low, and then the power right here from the wall plate. All right, heading down into the hallway. We've got the back door, of course. We're gonna find bedrooms 2 and 3. And what's nice about this space in this 76 long floor plan is once you get to the hallway here, it's just kind of like its own little world, right? So it's nice to be able to separate the privacy from the master, or the primary, excuse me. Here's bedroom number 2. Checking out the closet. Laundry area. This floor plan is gonna seem very familiar to you guys. We've had a floor plan called the Caborn. Before that, it was called the Pokagon, and it's very similar. And it's so popular that we started doing some different renditions of it, and the Branson is one of those renditions. So we took the best parts of the floor plan and then added in that humongous closet. Your water heater is going to be back here in this closet. So if you're going to double up some racks, I don't recommend we double them up here. Let's double them up in the primary and maybe in bedroom 2. So there you have it. And Elena, if you're watching, I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for letting me be a part of your journey and for sharing your story with me. I'm Christina, also the Mobile Home Mama, and I'll see you guys soon.